Welcome to Biker's Choice. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic motorcycles in the Indian market, the Bajaj Pulsar 180. Known for its sporty performance and striking design, this bike has captured the hearts of riders across the nation. Let's explore what makes the Pulsar 180 a standout choice for biking enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. The Bajaj Pulsar 180 boasts a striking design that merges style with functionality. Its muscular body, sharp lines, and aggressive stance give it a commanding presence on the road. The dual-tone color schemes, coupled with the signature Pulsar headlamp, make it an eye-catcher. The bike's overall design is not just about looks, it's engineered for aerodynamics, ensuring a smooth ride at high speeds. Performance and engine specs. At the heart of the Pulsar 180 is a powerful 178.6 cc engine that churns out impressive performance. With a maximum power output of 17.02 PS and peak torque of 14.22 N, this bike offers a thrilling riding experience. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, allowing for smooth gear transitions. Riders can expect quick acceleration and a top speed of around 135 km/h, making it perfect for both city commutes and highway rides. Comfort and ride quality. When it comes to comfort, the Bajaj Pulsar 180 doesn't disappoint. The seating position is well balanced, providing an upright posture that minimizes fatigue during long rides. The well-cushioned seat ensures a comfortable ride, while the telescopic front forks and twin-shock rear suspension absorb bumps with ease. Whether you're navigating through traffic or cruising on the highway, the Pulsar 180 offers a smooth and enjoyable experience. Features and technology. The Pulsar 180 is equipped with a range of features that enhance both safety and convenience. The bike comes with a digital analog instrument cluster, providing essential information at a glance. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes ensures optimal stopping power, enhancing safety during rides. Additionally, the bike features stylish split seats and an efficient exhaust system, contributing to both aesthetics and performance. Fuel efficiency. In today's world, fuel efficiency is a crucial factor for many riders. The Bajaj Pulsar 180 impresses with its mileage, offering around 40-45 km under standard riding conditions. This makes it an economical choice for daily commuters without compromising on performance. Community and aftermarket support. One of the significant advantages of owning a Bajaj Pulsar 180 is the extensive community and aftermarket support. Riders can easily find spare parts, accessories, and performance upgrades. The vibrant Pulsar community often organizes rides and events, allowing enthusiasts to connect and share their passion for biking. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Bajaj Pulsar 180 stands out as a versatile and stylish motorcycle that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and efficiency. Whether you're a daily commuter or weekend warrior, this bike has something for everyone. If you're considering your next ride, the Pulsar 180 deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thank you for tuning in to Biker's Choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and tips. Until next time, keep riding safe.